Good morning. Today's lecture, I will explain about the addressing. So, in the previous lecture, what I explained you is that you are having addresses. There are two types of the addresses. One is source address, and next is what? Destination address. So, what is address? How we are sending the data? I think you were absent for the last lecture. So if I'm sending the data from one PC to another PC, it is having many switches in between these many bits and the routers. So don't think that it is directly connected. If I'm telling you that if the from the source to destination the data is sending, it means it contains routers, switches, okay, gateways, everything it contains. So if I want to send the data from the source to destination, so before in the previous picture, what I told you, we are having encapsulation and the decapsulation. That I told you, you have to keep it in mind that one also. And if I want to send the data, what I will add here, header. In the header, what it contains? It contains the address, okay, and it contains the trailer. In the address means if you are adding the two address. And if you are adding the trailer means what is the meaning of trailer? It contains error control bit. If I am telling the word trailer means we are adding error control bits. To avoid the error, to remove the errors, what we are doing? We are adding the trailer. So this is about what? How to send the data from one to another. See. So today we will study about the types of the addressing. Types of the addressing. So there are four types of the addressing. This what I am today explaining is very important. First one is physical address. Second is logical address, port address, and specific address. So these are the four types of addressing what you study in the TCP IP protocol. Okay, in the TCP IP protocol, we are having four types of addressing: physical address, logical address, port address, and the specific address. These are the main important four types of the addressing. So first we will study about the physical address. Before going, I will tell you something. It is important. When yesterday lecture only I explained this addressing used. Okay. And the first one is application layer. Transport layer. Network layer or data link layer. Okay, so in the previous lecture, what I explained is that the very important point is that we are having the addresses for these four layers out of 5. But for the physical layer, we don't have any addressing, special addressing. Okay, we don't have any particular address for what? Physical address. We are having application, transport, network, and the DLL. For the network layer, you can call it as also internet layer. You can call it as network or internet layer. And for the DLL, you can also call as a physical layer because Same address from the DLL is goes to the physical layer. For the physical, you don't have any particular address. So it is a physical layer. What are the addressing used here is, it is very important for the application specific address unique. Fourth one is the, just I told you there are four types of addressing. So specific addressing is for application layer. Transport is for the code, and for the network internet it is logical address. For DLL it is physical address. These are the four types of the addressing used. For the application layer is specific. For the transport it is code address. For the network or internet layer it is logical address. And for the DLL physical it is a physical address. So we'll start with the physical address now. Do you understand this point? You have to remember this. So we'll start with the physical address. First, I will write some of the points which are involved in the physical address. Then you can understand easily. This physical address is also known as a link address. Where you are using the physical address? We are using which layer? DLL or physical layer. If you know this, then only you can write something. Then only you can understand something. For physical address is there by DLL or the physical layer we are having. Data link layer or the physical layer we are having the physical address. So it is also called as link address. Okay. So this address is used where anywhere in the LAN or the WAN. Physical address is anywhere it will be the LAN or WAN. It is important points that I am going to tell you now. It is a bottommost layer. I think you know this one, bottommost layer. Next is, we are having what in the physical layer? Media access control, MAC address. Physical address means, physical address means what? MAC address, media access control address. So what I am writing now is important points which are come under the physical address. This physical address is using where? In the data link layer or the physical layer. See, if you listen carefully, you will understand. What I am telling now is it is the bottommost layer because TCP IP we are having five layers. But for the addressing, first one is application, transport, network, data link layer, and the physical layer. These are the five layers which are present in the TCP IP model. But for the addressing, we are having different address for this application layer, transport layer, network layer, and DLL. But we don't have any particular address for what? Physical address. So we are combining these both. This address is called as physical address. Okay. For if I am telling the name as physical address, it means it is a MAC address, media access control address. It is very important. If I am telling this, it means it is address. Okay. And next thing is that it is unique. Means unique means what? It is particular address is there. It is not copied anywhere, but it is unique, but locally, not globally. Means if you are having in a LAN, if you are connecting many pieces, okay, all the pieces are having their own physical address. Okay, so this is unique address. Which one? Physical address. That is called as MAC address. This MAC address is different for all the PCs which are connected at the LAN. But it doesn't mean that it is only unique for this local only. It is not unique globally, because internet we are using throughout the world. Okay, World Wide Web is there, internet we are using, but their unique is will be what? IP address. That is in the next addressing type. Okay, so IP address will be unique globally, but physical address is unique locally, not globally. Keep it in mind. Next is that, so physical address is of what? It contains 48 bits. Okay, means how many bytes? It is basic that 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 8 bits is equal to what? 1 byte. So if I'm going to tell you that 48 bits means how many bytes? 6 bytes, no? 6 8s are 48. So 6 bytes. Physical address is having how much length? 6 bytes. Or you can call it as a 48 bits. Do you understand till now what I told you? See here, types of addressing. First is physical address. Physical address means what? It is media control, media access control, MAC address is there. It is having the length of 6 bytes. It means it is 48 bytes, and it is unique locally, not the globally. If you are connecting a small connection like WAN, MAN, whatever, there it is a unique, means it is having, see, we are connecting many PCs in this LAN. So this PC1 and PC5 is not having the same physical address, because these all physical addresses are unique. They are not copied, they are not repeated. So only the sentence is unique locally but not globally. Means it may copy somewhere, anywhere in metro W, or what is called as LAN, MAN and WAN. Somewhere it may copy at the WAN also. So it is unique locally, not the globally. Did you understand this point? This point. Next is MAC address. So it is bottommost layer. It is last layer, no? It is bottommost layer. You may use this in the LAN or the WAN. It is a small area you can have this address. Means it is unique between the LAN or the WAN. In the LAN and WAN we are having the MAC address. It is called as a physical address. It is also called as a link address because we are using here which layer? Data link layer. This is called as a link address. So now what I will explain is that how the data will be transferred through the physical addressing. See, if what I am now explaining is how the data will be transferred from one PC to another PC through this addressing. For example, it is a bus topology. Listen carefully, you will understand. Now I am explaining that the same addressing will be there for everything. It is a sender, or call it as a source host. This source host is having the header. We are having the to address. We are having the trailer. We are having the data. We may call it as a message. But this message will be encapsulated. What is the meaning of encapsulation? Already I told you many times. We are adding the headers from one layer to another layer. So that is called as encapsulation. So the data which you are sending is encapsulated. So If it is a source host, I am sending the data which is encapsulated, which contains the two address called as a header. It may contain the trailer to avoid the errors. This much you are sending from this PC to the destination PC. See, now I am telling you that I don't know which one is destination. So what I am doing? It is having two address. It is having address now. So it is having here physical address which contains 48 bits. See, concentrate on only this addressing. So I am having 48 bits, that is 6 bytes of length, which is having physical address, or you may call it as a MAC. I am sending these two. See, the bus topology, I am taking it as an example as bus topology. You may type it as a star or what mesh or ring. You can take any topology. So I am taking simply a bus topology. So I will send the data here. I have already in this one we are having what two address, this header. So it will come, it will check, it will come to this PC first. So here it will check the two address from this PC. It is having its own physical address. Keep it in mind. This PC having its own physical address, it is having its own logical address. You may call it as a IP address. That I will explain in the next addressing type. Okay. So it is having its both physical address and logical address. So it will match this address to this one. So if it is not matched, then it will not do anything here. It will come to which piece is there? Next, this one is there. So it will come. Here it will check for the address, two address and the which is present here. It will check here physical address and the logical address. Now we are explaining only about this one, so I will talk only about this address. So it will check for the physical address here. It will see, it will check. So if it is okay, then it will receive this one. Otherwise, it is rejected and it will come to the this PC. For example, if the physical address is matched, okay, then the data will come to what? This destination host. Destination host. What it will do? It will check the logical address, physical address, and when it checks it, when it is okay, it will enter here where it will do the decapsulation. Decapsulation means what? Removing the headers. So the original message will come to this destination host. This is the method for what? This is how practically happens. When data is sending from this to this, it will check for its addresses and it will receive the message. It will do the decapsulation. So in this one we are having what? Routers, switches. Okay, everything is there between these. So the data is coming from here to here through the physical address. So it, you can call it also MAC address. It is this bottommost layer, or you can call it as a data link layer or the data link. It is called as a link address also. Okay. So this is about the physical addressing. It is having 48 bits in the length or 6 bytes. This is about the physical addressing. Any doubts? Sapna? Any doubts? Reply me. Okay. Do you understand this one completely? So today we have studied what types of addressing, where we have studied about the physical addressing. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that so I told you that it contains what? I forgot to tell you this point, important point. It contains what? 48 bits of physical address or 6 bytes. This address is produced at the which layer? It is produced as the NIC. So what I told you now, we are having 48 bits or 6 bytes length of a physical address that we will produce as the network interfacing card. NIC, network interfacing card. Here we are producing 48 bits address. Where we are producing the address? We are producing at the NIC, network interfacing card. Here we are producing the physical address, that is called as a MAC address. Any doubts? So this completes the first addressing type, physical address. If you are having any doubts, ask me. I will share the notes. Just write it on your notebook.